Hey everyone, Kyle here. In today's video, I am going to show you how to open a Citibank bank account online. So let's get started. So now here we are on Citibank, and then from here what you need to do is go into your browser and go into citi.com so that you'd be able to go here in their website. So once you're here, click here on open an account. And then from here, you would need to answer a question on where do you live, because it would vary on what services may be offered to you. But in my case, I have already answered that. But if you haven't, then you would be required to input your zip address or zip code. And then from here, what you need to do is select the bank account that you would like to open. So you would have three choices here: the checkings account, savings, and certificates of deposits. So in this example, we'll just be going with a checkings account just for this tutorial, and click on open an account once you are sure with that certain account. And then from here, you'd now be able to see the choices here depending on the account that you have chosen. So in my case, I'll just go with access checking right here. So, and then next, click on open an account right here. Next, we'll be proceeding to the next step. So from here, what we're going to do is that we're just going to wait for this one, and then there it is now loaded. And from here, you would now need to input your personal information to continue, and then here are the steps that you would need to complete. So the first is personal information. After that would be ID verification, and then employment and income, set up online access, agreements and disclosure, and the transfer of your funds into this account. So these are very basic here. So you don't really need a special guidance for this because these are all just personal information. And after you're done with these steps right here, you would now be able to open your Citibank bank account, and then they would send you your other details about your account, how you can set it up, and so on, and how you're going to receive your card. So you can just see the instructions on that depending on the location that you are in. So it might vary. So you would need to complete this in order for you to get the instructions, and then just follow that. And then, yeah, that is basically it on how you can open a bank account here in Citibank online. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.